I was wearing panties so you couldn't see it. You guys, guess what? In my never-ending quest of being a multi-hyphenate diva, we're starting a Patreon. Not that kind of Patreon, you dirty, dirty dog. I just want to take a place to cultivate our community, bring people together, and bring you behind the scenes of my life. Whether that's behind the scenes of Queer Eye, JBN Hair, my podcast, Getting Better, which this really truly is the extension of. But I've interviewed such incredible people over the years about so many topics, and I'm still curious, hunty. I want to know what's going on with the whales with Dr. Giles. I want to know what's going on with early reproductive healthcare legislation history with Dr. Jackie Antonovich. I want to just bring back some of our Getting Curious guests. So we're going to do little updates with some of our big Getting Curious people. I'm going to give you behind the scenes of my life. I'm going to give you beauty tutorials. I'm really going to give you whatever you want from me, because you know what the other fun thing about Patreon is? It really is emphasis on community. So I'm going to be up in these community tabs, and if you guys want to see something from me, if you want me to take you along with me to gymnastics, if you want to see Chris over on Getting Better, or over from the Monday Edit, honey, I'll show you Chris. It's shit. Chris is fucking here right now. Can't get rid of her. She's watching me do this just to make sure. Yeah, say hi, Chris. Say hi, Chris.
We gotta get you to capture the content, darling.
But you know how on the Monday Edit when I say hi, Chris.
Oh, hey, hi, hello.
Can I just show you my Apple library? We have Whitney Houston, okay? This album was so under-celebrated. Then you've got Evanescence.
Which one? I Look to You?
Yeah, no. That was this one had Heartbreak Hotel on it. This was It's Not Right, but It's Okay. But I love.
I saw that video of her being like, nothing was more powerful than Whitney with that bob.
Oh, but it's so true. Okay, but wait.
So for the free Patreon, think of it like the mothership. We all know there's so many platforms that we're going to. We're on YouTube, we're on Apple Podcasts, we're on Spotify, we're everywhere. But with the free Patreon tier, we're going to collect it all. We're going to put it all in a nice little platform package for you where you can just look at all. It's the mothership of everything podcast.
That's just so that you wouldn't have to go to
Yeah, because who wants to click around all the time when you can just go to Patreon, darling?
For free, so you just download the app and you get it for free. Now, also, you guys, just so you know, I do have to get out of the door in 20 minutes to go do our meet and greet for Hot and Healed Tour Columbus Night 2. So I'm just getting ready while Chris is telling you this. And this is going to be one of the series on the Patreon where we're just here shooting the shit, talking about it.
Exactly.
And for $4.99, you're going to find out what we're going to do. Because we're going to do a video a week just for you. I'm going to be up in the little community tabs to see what you guys want to see more from me. If you want to learn how to do these curls, I'll fucking teach you. Let's put on a little bit of makeup because in the spirit of multitasking. Tonight I'm going to go perform in Columbus at this gorgeous comedy club. And on the Hot and Healed tour. I'm going to give you the behind the scenes of my comedy career, behind the scenes of my TV career, behind the scenes of Lit, JBN Hair, podcasting. I'm going to let you into my life. It's just for you. It's just for us. It's our special place. Our special place. And I love you guys. So I can't wait to see you over there. I hope you like what we're doing. Originally, I was going to do all my makeup, but I didn't. Although, if you want to see what I think today... No, I'm not going to underpaint. I'm not going to underpaint. I thought I was going to underpaint, but I'm not going to underpaint. I'm just going to go. And if you want to see a tutorial of how I do my normal makeup, I'll do that for you. I was going to do it concurrently, but I didn't. And the reason is I looked so much better than I anticipated with no makeup on. And my air dry cream curl application held up so good from yesterday that I didn't really need to do anything because I already looked great. It's hard being an entrepreneurial, successful, HIV-positive, non-binary diva with incredible hair and an incredible hair care line and a brain that just doesn't quit. And an ass that don't quit either. So, I love you guys so much. And if you are a family member of mine and you watch this, just pretend that you didn't see the parts about me spanking myself and talking about sex Patreon stuff, because that's a joke. So yeah, that's what you're going to get on Patreon. That stuff. And just, all the sides of me, honey. Not just my curated Instagram self. So I love you so much. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Ask your doctors about PrEP. Hoard your birth control. We don't know what's going on. I love you so much. And I'll see you on our first official episode. Bye. We could also do sometimes mukbangs